Your presentations, proposals, and reports have less than 7 seconds to make a lasting impression. The contents that took weeks or months to prepare will be judged by the cover, making or breaking your credibility in those first crucial seconds. With VeloBind and SureBind systems from GBC, your documents make a dramatic statement about who you are and how you do business. VeloBind and SureBind are GBC's two varieties of strip binding with a similar finished appearance and only differ in the arrangement of the pins. SureBind offers the added advantage of fitting into the SureBind or plastic comb binding punch patterns. Both SureBind and VeloBind offer dozens of unique and elegant ways to create tamper-resistant documents with a slim profile for easy mailing. The wide array of strip colors assure that your documents will present the professional image your company demands. Custom imprinted hardcovers project elegance with library-quality binding. Soft covers impress with distinctive paper stocks that set you apart from the crowd. Using hot knife technology, the VeloBind and SureBind processes are simple, yet ensure a secure bind. Today's business requirements can range from a presentation of a few pages to a book with hundreds of pages. The System 3 Pro easily and attractively binds up to 750 sheets thick. Impressive, long-lasting, and highly effective presentations, proposals, and reports are created in just seconds and are sure to put your company in the most professional light. Binding documents with the System 3 Pro is as easy as 1, 2, 3. First, lay the receiving strip on the bind surface. Second, align the document in the punch throat against the edge guide. Press the punch button, then remove the punched document and align it on top of the receiving strip already in place. Insert the strip with pins into the top of the book. Finally, ensure that the system is set to the appropriate binding speed and lower the pressure bar. The automatic bind cycle takes over from here. The result? An impressive presentation that stands out head and shoulders above the rest. The System 3 Pro delivers outstanding productivity due to its superior punching and binding capacities. Creating books up to 3 inches or 7.5 centimeters thick is easy, requiring only 3 different sized binding elements to be inventoried. The System 3 Pro punches up to 30 sheets of 20-pound bond paper per lift. The Auto Punch Selector allows the operator a choice of 3 different punching options: push button, automatic punch, or foot pedal. The adjustable binding speed offers flexibility when binding documents 1 inch or 25 millimeters or smaller, which increases productivity up to 50%. And because the punch and the bind features can be used simultaneously, the system allows the operator to continuously punch paper while binding a single document. Binding books that are odd-sized isn't a problem with the System 3 Pro. It will punch and bind documents as long as 14 inches or 35 centimeters, or as short as 8 inches or 20 centimeters. A slight adjustment of the binding edge guide for perfect paper alignment is all that is needed. Documents with a large number of pages are a snap too. This system can bind documents up to 750 sheets thick with one simple motion. No other binding style offers the ability to bind up to 3 inches or 7.5 centimeters in a single book. The System 3 Pro is designed to stand up to years of use. GBC uses quality components like die-cast aluminum cooling elements, pressure bars, and strip supports. The Teflon-coated cutting blades are made from steel that is designed to withstand high temperatures, and the punch motor delivers 300 inch-pounds of torque to the hardened steel punch pins. In the unlikely event that a problem does occur, you can count on GBC's network of highly trained technicians to get your system back up and running. GBC's commitment to safety has led us to have our systems tested by the world's leading safety agencies. you can rest assured that GBC equipment fully complies with all of these agencies' requirements. For example, the North American version of the System 3 Pro meets all UL and Canadian standard requirements, as certified by CSA. International versions of the System 3 Pro have full safety licensing from TUV Product Service and carry the CE mark as well. There are thousands of satisfied GBC customers who love the look of GBC strip binding and how easy the systems are to use. But you don't have to take our word for it. Let Laura Wellman from Kinko's tell you how impressed she is.
We like the System 3 Pro for velo binding, sure binding, because it is so easy to use. It's intuitive. We have a lot of coworkers. We're training them on them, and they can intuitively start going on how to bind a book. As well as we like it because it's so fast. When we have a larger book, we just put the strip through all at one time. We don't have to actually load it on bit by bit, and from that we just go with it. So coworkers really enjoy using it. We have got new coworkers who specifically want to do velo binding because it is so fast, and they feel like they're getting more done, in their time binding.